Well, how gorgeous is this? Sandy Cape, does it get any better? So I'm off for a bit of a self-care weekend. So it all starts at Jurien Bay, where we're going to go snorkeling with the sea lions. And then we're going to have a night in Koala. Myself, Kate, and little miss. But just check out these views. I mean, how stunning is that? Stick around, let me show you some drone footage, let me show you some GoPro footage. Let me show you why you need to come visit Jurien Bay, Koala, Greenhead and the surrounding areas. It's just gorgeous.
Hear the sound of whips that crack, shattering the silence, the silence. All that power that corrupts you can only lead to violence, to violence.